Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about a book that is not just meant to be read, but a book that teaches you how to build a new way of thinking, a new mind, and a new identity. Friends, have you ever noticed that some people seem good at everything? They know a little science, understand some psychology, know a bit of business, and also understand life. And on the other hand, we keep learning just one thing for years, yet still feel incomplete. If this question has ever come to your mind, can I learn everything? Then this video can change your life. The name of this book is Learn Like a Polymath, written by Peter Hollins. Who is a polymath? Friends, a polymath is a person who has mastery in not just one, but multiple fields. For example, Leonardo da Vinci, artist plus scientist plus engineer. Aristotle, Rabindranath Tagore. But the real question is, do you need to be a genius to become a polymath? Peter Hollins clearly says, no, absolutely not. Becoming a polymath is not about talent. It's about having the right system. The biggest lie we were taught. Friends, since childhood we have been taught. Focus on only one thing. Jack of all trades, master of none. But the book says, in today's world, people with only a single skill are getting replaced the fastest. Machines, AI, automation are taking jobs one by one. The ones who will survive are those who have multiple skills. What is the polymath mindset? Peter Hollins explains that the first step to becoming a polymath is to change your identity. Stop telling yourself, I am weak in maths. I can't speak English. I don't understand science. And start saying, I am a beginner. I can learn. It will take time, but I will do it. Friends, what you believe about yourself is what you become. The right way to learn, meta learning. This book teaches us how to learn how to learn. Peter Hollins says, if you master the art of learning, no subject remains difficult. Polymaths do not just memorize books. They don't just remember facts. They focus on connections, patterns, and practical use. Interdisciplinary thinking. Friends, the most powerful mind is the one that can connect different subjects. For example, psychology plus marketing, law plus social work, maths plus daily life. This is what makes you unique and irreplaceable. Why are we afraid of learning new things? The book explains, we are afraid because of comparison, pressure of perfection. What will people say? But the truth is, being a beginner is not a weakness. It is a strength. Every expert was once a beginner. Friends, if you haven't learned much yet, it doesn't mean you are weak. It means your real journey is just beginning. Part 1 Summary. In Part 1, we understood what a polymath is, why multi-skills are necessary today, how to change your learning mindset. Now in Part 2, we will learn the real techniques. The techniques that polymaths secretly use. Chapter 1. The Secret of Fast Learning. Peter Hollins clearly says, there is no such thing as a slow learner. Only wrong methods. Most of us open a book, keep reading, but remember nothing. Why? Because we use passive learning. What is passive learning? Just reading, just listening, just underlining. All of this makes the brain lazy. What is active learning? Polymaths learn by asking questions, explaining things to themselves, trying to teach others. The book says, if you cannot explain a concept to someone else, you don't really understand it yourself. Chapter 2. Feynman Technique, Golden Rule. This technique is the heart of the book. The 4 steps of the Feynman technique. Step 1. Choose a topic. English grammar, maths, law, GK, psychology. Step 2. Explain it in simple language, as if you are teaching a 10-year-old child. If you can't explain it simply, you don't have clarity yet. Step 3. Find your gaps. Reread. Find examples. Connect with real life. Step 4. Simplify. Remove heavy words. Use simple language. Simple thinking equals a sharp mind. Chapter 3 Memory Hacks. Why do we forget? Peter Hollins says, we don't forget because our memory is weak. We forget because we remember the wrong way. Rote learning. Studying one night before exams and forgetting later is not learning. It's temporary storage. Spaced repetition. Polymaths learn the same thing again and again, at different times, in different ways. Reading, writing, speaking, explaining. This moves information into long-term memory. Chapter 4 Interleaving Technique. Studying one subject for hours tires the brain. Polymaths mix subjects. A little maths, a little English, a little GK. This challenges the brain and improves learning speed. Chapter 5 The Right Way to Make Notes. Peter Hollins strictly advises against copy-paste notes, word-to-word writing. Polymaths make notes in their own words, using mind maps, Q&A format, with examples. Notes are for revision, not for confusion. Chapter 6 Fear of Starting. We don't start because there's no perfect plan. I don't have time. I'm not in the mood. But the book says, action creates clarity, not the other way around. Start first. The path will appear. No one is stopping you from becoming a polymath, except your own fear. Part 3 Managing Multiple Skills. A harsh truth from Peter Hollins. Polymaths don't learn everything at once. They learn the right thing at the right time. Skill stacking is the key. Combining skills, not separating them. Focus, distraction and routine. One time slot equals one skill. Zero distractions. Short but intense sessions. Control your attention, because attention is your greatest asset. Failure in polymath lifestyle. Failure is proof that you are outside your comfort zone. Polymaths don't hide mistakes. They learn from them. Curiosity, observation, deep thinking. They learn from every person and every situation. Final part Becoming irreplaceable. The world is full of average people, but it needs those who can connect multiple ideas. Degrees are common, certificates are common, problem solvers are rare. A polymath becomes a thinker, a fast learner, an adaptable human. Learning has no expiry date. If today you tell yourself, I don't know yet, but I can learn, that moment marks the beginning of your new life. If this series touched your heart, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. I have started learning. Keep learning, keep growing, become a polymath.